Alright people, Big Ed here. I'm doing, I guess, part two. The first one I showed you how I take that nut off. And the second one is I use that same tool that you take the nut off to pull the sprocket off. Well, I use this tool to hold it in place. And then I got a harmonic balancer puller. You can get these at auto parts store. I got this one at a yard sale. I think I only paid a few bucks for it, and it's still in the box. Now I did have to get a couple bolts, but I had some in my bolt jar up there. Thank God. I hate having to run down to Ace Hardware at the last minute and trying to figure out what bolt goes in there. But anyways, you put it in. I've already got it loosened up, and just this sprocket right here has two holes in it that you could thread these bolts in, and then just tighten it, and it slides right, comes right off. You'll have to use a wrench at first, but once you get it loosened up, you can do it by hand. And that be that. Peace out.